Hi, my name is Edge, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about GlucoCare before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about GlucoCare supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is GlucoCare and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. GlucoCare contains potent ingredients that fight the root cause of unhealthy blood sugar. It targets the molecule that triggers fat to explode in the bloodstream, causing the clogging of various organs, including the liver, pancreas, and heart. When the insulin is clogged, it causes low insulin production, leading to a surge in blood sugar levels. GlucoCare contains natural ingredients that fix the malfunction and unclog the bloodstream. It boosts your metabolism and melts away stubborn fat that clogs your organs. GlucoCare has detoxifying ingredients that help eliminate harmful toxins interfering with your blood sugar levels and metabolism. The formula gives you a clean sweep starting from the liver. The formula contains nutrients that help stabilize your moods, affecting your stress levels and metabolism. It has adaptogens that fight stress, reduce fatigue, and improve energy levels, enabling you to stay active throughout the day. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with GlucoCare supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test GlucoCare for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to GlucoCare work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, GlucoCare has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy GlucoCare, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that GlucoCare actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.